The U.S. Constitution guarantees a person's right to an attorney in criminal trials, but there's no right to legal representation when you're facing civil legal issues. And people of modest means know that legal representation does not come cheap.
Whether it's $60 an hour or $2 million an hour is the same. They still can't afford it.
According to a study commissioned by legal groups, 84% of low-income Oregonians who needed a lawyer were not able to get one. That's where the Clackamas County Law Library comes in.
The Law Library exists to provide equal access to justice to everyone.
Located right next to the courthouse in Oregon City, they have free legal books and documents available 5 days a week.
A lot of people think that public law libraries, if they've even ever heard of them, is only available to attorneys or judges and other members of the legal community, and that's not the case.
They help everyone: students, authors, reporters, and people who are acting as their own lawyers. They also have 2 free legal clinics. The expungement clinic started in 2014 to help people clean up their records.
It does help remove those barriers to jobs and housing and things like that. By not having that conviction or that arrest on your record, it generally will not show up on any of these background searches.
The clinics are wildly popular. On alternating months, the Law Library also hosts a Lawyer in the Library program, where anyone, regardless of income, can get a half-hour consultation about any topic at no cost.
Debt collection is a very common situation. Our other highly demanded areas are landlord-tenant. Our most commonly requested is by far family law.
30 minutes probably isn't a lot in terms of how much time people need with a lawyer.
It's enough time to give for family law to give the logistics of how their case would work with the court. Kind of talk through the process for 10 or 15 minutes, and then spend 10 or 15 minutes talking through the specifics of their case, and give them a couple pointers, point them in the right direction, and then talk about the finances and what's going to be available to them.
The clinics quickly fill up, though.
What we've discovered is that the need is so much greater than our volunteer attorneys can meet.
The Law Library hopes to be able to take advantage of grants and other types of funding in the future to expand its services. In Oregon City, Ray Lambert, KOIN 6 News.